we're back out here the next day. We got the bed off of the truck. Me and Cody worked on these drip rails some. We got all the body filler out of here. This driver's side one looks fine. We have a little bit of seam sealer, not body filler. Did the passenger side. Passenger side was worse, and it's got a little hole in it right there. Right there is a little hole. So we're gonna have to address that problem. It's not in as bad a shape as I thought, but this side is worse than the other side. There were some holes in the bed. Daddy got those welded up, and he's sanding on the bed right now. I'm just waiting to know what to do next. Got the doors ripped off. Pretty easy. It's just 4 bolts and 2 wires. These plugs were pretty difficult to take loose because I promise you they've been plugged up since '86. Daddy's been sanding on the top side of the bed and putting a little bit of body filler in it on the top here because stuff just getting set on top. This kind of wavy down through there. It's got a bunch of little small low spots, so he's trying to fix that up, make it look nice. And Lane, he helped me take the bed off, and that's it. Sorry, Joker. But it's gonna be a slow process. We're gonna spray the door panels, and I gotta use the Scotch-Brite to rough everything up before we paint it. All right. What's up, folks? We're back at it again today. We worked all day yesterday, but I did not film much at all. I suck at YouTube. Daddy did some work on the top of this bed because it had all kind of like little dents all in it. He got worked on that on both sides. Any little messed up spots he worked on, like there's a little bit of a mess up right there. Nothing on this truck is majorly tore up. We've decided we think we want to keep the tailgate like this instead of putting the original piece of aluminum back on it. We think we like that better, and we would weld up all these holes, make it look like they were never there, and we would paint the Ford red to tie it in with the taillights. We ripped the inside of the truck apart. Not really. I took the seat out because I don't want the seat to get messed up. I took the doors off. Last thing I did yesterday was wash this frame because I'm gonna wind up painting the frame while we got the bed off. But I'm gonna try and do better on filming stuff today. I was about to wash underneath this thing some more, but the power just went out, so I gotta wait for the power to come back so I can use the pressure washer. Alright, we're done for today. We got the front end painted black, everything behind the grill. Got the frame painted black. Daddy did a lot more sanding on the bed. He just put some primer on the places that he put body filler in it. This is kind of a slow process, but we're going to get it eventually. We'll be back out here, maybe some in the evenings this week, or we'll be back at it next weekend. Yep.